In this video, we're going to walk you through how you can fix the issue where Steam games aren't downloading. If this video does help, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. This issue can be very frustrating because it stops you from playing any of your Steam games, but the good news is it's super easy to fix. Go ahead and open up Steam and then click on this little Steam button up in the top left corner. Select settings just like so, and in this little drop down section here, find downloads. Open up downloads and scroll down until you see the clear cache option and go ahead and click on that and then hit clear to confirm. This is going to restart Steam automatically. Once Steam does reopen though, click Steam in the left corner again, and then this time go into settings and find storage. Open it up and find your game drive just like so. Mine is already selected up at the top, but you may need to manually select yours. From here, click the three dots right here and hit repair library, and it's going to load for a second and then restart Steam. From here, simply just go ahead and click the Windows button on your keyboard, or just hit the Windows button down here, click on this little power icon and hit restart. After restarting, open up Steam and try downloading your game again, and hopefully it is now properly working. If this video did help you out, let us know down in the comment section below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down there as well. And don't forget to like and subscribe for even more Steam tutorials just like this. Have a great rest of your day.